is the SetPower FC20 12-volt fridge freezer. Look at that beauty. So, yes, I have partnered with them. They sent me this cooler for my honest review. And as you know, I am very honest. But what they come with inside are a couple attachments. One is a soda holder, a drink holder. So you can have this cooler set up next to you, and you can put your cold beverage right there. Here's a umbrella holder. So like when you're at the beach, you want some shade, you can put there. But the other thing that they give is a bottle opener with a strap. And it comes with these little hook mounts. So you can use tie straps to hold it down in the back of your truck while you're going bahan in the middle of the desert. Like, that's awesome. And they give you two different ways of charging it or providing power to it. I'll be right back. So, I got my power source. It's just a basic Jackery. It does come with a user manual. You got your wall outlet charger. You know, if you have a power converter outside or whatnot. But what we are going to be focusing on is a cigarette lighter. Because this is going to be in my truck when I go grocery shopping. So, gonna plug it in. The port is down here on the side. Get that on there, and I'm gonna put it as on. It is currently at 52 degrees. Okay, so yep, that's on, so it's working. You guys want to know what the dimensions are? All right, this unit is a FC20. It's 24.2 inches long, 13.1 inches high, and 13 inches deep. It is a 21 quart. It weighs about 24 pounds. And the temperature range, you ready? -4 degrees to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That will keep ice cream frozen. As we know, as we travel, the hardest thing to keep is frozen foods. And this might be the game changer. So, yeah. It does have a removable lid, so you can reverse it. So you can open it from either direction, just like that. Super, super easy. Boom. If you are interested in it, I do have a discount code, MND16, for 16% off at checkout. Again, that is MND16 for 16% off anything on their website. We are looking at 44 degrees. 44. Wow. Huh. I'm going to bring you guys up here and show you. Here's a close-up of the SetPower FC20. On the side here, we have the umbrella holder. And these are those brackets that I was talking about that you can strap the cooler down while you're traveling. And here's the drink holder here. It is a nice heavy metal. And we got the bottle opener with the strap. The power just plugs in there. And we are currently at 35 degrees. And the buttons on top are the on and off, plus and minus temperatures. And now we're gonna open up the cooler and see what is inside. Oh, hey, how'd you get in there? Are you cold? Oh my God. But yeah, anyways, let's pull you out of there And let's dive back in. As you can see here, we got a diagram of what type of foods and drinks and all of that stuff, including frozen food. And it tells you suggested temperature settings. So that's already there. You don't have to Google. It's all the information is there. And then we also got the warning and troubleshooting information there. But yeah, I cannot wait to take this to the store so that my groceries do not get ruined on the way back to the middle of nowhere.